In this video, you'll learn how to leave feedback for a seller on eBay. This process allows you to share your experience with other buyers and help maintain a trustworthy marketplace. Start by logging into your eBay account using your credentials. After successfully signing in, locate the menu on the left side of the screen. From there, find and click on the Purchase History option. This section displays all the items you have recently bought. It is important to ensure that the transaction has been completed or delivered before proceeding. This confirmation helps you select the correct order for feedback. Once you are in the purchase history area, browse through the list of completed transactions, identify the specific order for which you would like to leave feedback. Each order will have an option next to it to leave feedback. Click on the Leave Feedback button associated with the relevant order. This action opens the feedback form where you can express your thoughts about the transaction. On the feedback form, you will see a selection of ratings including positive, neutral, or negative. Choose the rating that accurately reflects your experience with the seller. In addition to the rating, there is space provided for you to write a comment. Crafting a brief but honest comment about your experience is beneficial. This feedback not only informs other buyers, but also aids in improving the seller's service. After you have entered your feedback and selected a rating, take a moment to review everything carefully. Ensure that both your rating and comment genuinely reflect. Once you are satisfied with your feedback, locate and click the Submit button to finalize your input. After this, your feedback will be posted and visible on the seller's profile, contributing to the overall transparency of the eBay marketplace. Leaving feedback is an essential part of the eBay community as it helps future buyers make informed decisions. Remember that providing honest feedback supports the integrity of the marketplace. Your experience matters and sharing it can make a difference for others. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.